It's a rainy day. Not quite sure what we're gonna do. We'll find something to do. But don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and here we go. Okay, something happened today. I'm not sure quite what I did, but a bunch of my videos got deleted from my phone. They're still in the pictures, but they won't go over into the editing area. So now we have to start all over. Wham!
Today, it started dumping rain this morning on me because I didn't have an umbrella. But at least I had my jacket and it was waterproof. I'm getting a weird shot today. Okay, what I did in school today is I did nothing. Free choice the whole time.
Free choice, really? The whole time?
Yeah. So, bye-bye. We're going into Walmart.
Look at those clouds. It's so pretty. Our bathroom heater died today, so it's time to pick out a new one, and I think this is it. Everything's wet. I think the park was a bad idea. Bad grandma. Is it wet at the bottom of the slide? Are you gonna splash? Oh, where are your shoes? Oh. You guys are soft wet. Look at that butt. Rainy day at the playground. Oh! Put your shoes on. It's a rainy day. I don't feel like cooking. I need to be pampered. We're doing Chinese food, right? Yum. Yeah, we did. I've got the comfy jammies and the slippies on. Ah, could life get any better? Oh yeah, just a bit. Grandma's playing Pirates of the Caribbean.
Whee!
Oh!